Little Wriggler, play and learn.
Banana bread.
Yeah.
What is this now? What is it?
That's called a pestle and mortar.
That's a wood. This is a banana. This egg is these walnuts. Oops.
That's just an empty
one.
bowl. And what's this?
Flour. That is sugar.
And what's this?
Butter. And that one, making powder.
Baking powder. Okay.
That's quite a big one.
That's a big one.
Boing, boing. Boing, 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 boing. Banana.
Yay!
Banana. I would love to eat banana.
Would you love to eat banana bread?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, can you do this one? Ollie, can you put all the banana into the mixing bowl?
Whoopsie.
Yeah.
I want to know what the next thing is.
That's right.
This one.
Good boy.
On
Can you help me to crush the walnuts?
it. Yep.
All right.
Here's some more for you.
Are you very thirsty, Ollie? Yeah, baking is hard work, isn't it?
I put it to this stuff. Where was the banana?
Yeah.
It's hiding under the sugar. Whoopsie. Mix, mix. Mix, mix.
It's easier to use the electric mixer, Ollie, isn't it?
I just see how it does it. You don't want to get your hand mixed up.
No, don't put your hands in, don't put your head in, okay? Very important. What are you not going to do? You're not going to touch.
And
Yeah.
I'm not going to put my head in on my hands.
So the mixer is a little bit dangerous, right? Make sure you don't put your hands in, like you said. All right?
And my hand.
Don't put your head in either. No.
Otherwise you won't be able to talk.
Otherwise, you won't be able to talk.
Look, it's cutting it up.
Now we'll put a bit of flour in.
Yeah, okay. I can do it.
Right now. So now we'll do a bit more mixing. That's right. Can you pour the eggs in?
That's true.
So we'll give it one final mix. All right, and then we're finished, okay?
It's finished.
Look. Ooh, it's gooey, isn't it?
Yes, it's sticking at the bottom.
Thank you.
Oh, no.